Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for joining me. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukwenza okufanele mangaba akakwenzi lokhu kusubscribe nokuthi enye nenye video mtakaba boyipressa please uyilike kuyasiza kakhulu like that video. Share it, put your bells on ukwenza ukuthi njalo masilahlele video then uzoba notified. And yeah man you guys, ngendaba ezibuhlungu bafethu yabona kule video ngezibuhlungu lezi. Khumbula ke you guys sasikhulume ngobaba uSolimoholo kuthiwa ke uyagula. Ugule eSebotswana wayenama gigs khona wathi mabeqedile ukuperforma ntambama wasiphatha ukugula bathi wawabanye waquleka into kanjalo bamthatha bamse esibhedlela saseBotswana I think, and then isuka le base bamtransfera kulesi sangapha kuwe eMzansi into kanjalo kasezwa kuthiwa kuthe kunenkinga laphana ngebrain. Baka uthe bafuna ukuthi benze ibrain operation into kanjalo kazi ngapha emqondweni bam operate ngoba kukhona inkinga. Kwase kuba futhi nodaba laphana because I think ngenzile ama videos ambala because even all my other channel Philip Barbara's Entertainment, if you can go there I've got ama videos ngoba bashame ngaloku ni update you guys. Kwabuye kwakhulunywa ukuthi kuthiwa kushoda ke ngemali laphana ibill yakhe yanyuka njengoba lele empedeni esibhedlela isishaya laphana ko 700k. Munga scroll emuva uzowathola ama video engangiwenza ke you guys kwethiwa ke ubaba kudingeka usizo umndeni uyakhala ucela usizo emphakathini ama donations uzokwazi ukuthi ubaba ke athole ke leyo operation. Namhlanje ke zingenayo you guys hayi kuyabheda ke kuthiwa ke ubaba uSolimoholo akasekho emhlabeni. How sad. Hayi ngezibuhlungu ke lezi bafethu. The way khona ama celebrity ahambe ngakhona ke lezi inyanga ezimpilo ezedlulile mina ngisazi bafethu angisenawo amaningi angisazi shame sekudlule ke nobaba uSolimoholo. And mina bengathi ngizwe ngathi bathi uyalula mangathi kuba ngcono. I think I've seen ama post ka Facebook ukukhulunywa ngaye nje ngithi hawu kungcono Nkosi yami mhlambe nama fans yatholakala mhlambe ya operator kanti ngebhadi ke bafethu naku kuthiwa ke akasekho ke emhlabeni ezingenayo ke bafethu ayisekho ke emhlabeni ingwazi yomculo wokukholo uSolimoholo ukuthiwa ke ushone namhla esibhedlela abelaliswe kuso ngemuva kokuhlasela kokugula ehambile kwela seBotswana. Laphana ka Twitter ke uyatrend abafethu uyatrend baba ka Twitter mangathi kubuyele emuva. He's trending number 2 at this moment ngoba kukhona uCasper laphana phezulu. Rest easy baba Soli you guys kune statement ke yo Solimoholo team management something like that ngizosifunda kancane ngizobe ngisilahlele on my screen. Kuthiwa ke dear Solimoholo fans, it is with great sadness that we are informing you on the behalf of the Molokwane family that is Solimoholo's family that our beloved legend Solimoholo have sadly passed away. He passed away on the 2nd of October 2024 whilst in hospital. Solimoholo was hospitalized after falling in following his pre-album launch in the Botswana tour. He will be sorely missed. May his laughter continue to echo the walls of heaven. Let us remember him fondly for the healing music he gave us over the years. At this time, the family would like to request that they be given privacy time to mourn the passing of Ntate Solimoholo and prepare for his burial. Details of his memorial and funeral will be shared in the coming days on all Solimoholo official pages. Please keep family in your prayers. Khotsong Solimoholo's team management. We all know good Baba Keshi. He was a Sion gospel musician. This is just so sad, man. You guys lenda nje yo ayibafethu ke kunzima makunjalo. Uyatrenda ke you guys at this particular moment ubaba uSolimoholo kuthi udlulile emhlabeni. It's breaking news everywhere on Twitter and Facebook. Gospel legend Solimoholo have sadly passed away after spending several days in the hospital battling the illness. Baningi abampostile ngama video yithombe konke you guys abantu bekhuluma ngobaba uSoli, the veteran gospel artist babhizi bayamposta ke laphana abantu you guys njengoba ke kuzwakale ukudlula kwakhe emhlabeni. Rest in peace Ntate Solimoholo, may your song be a reality upon your death. Yo bafethu kuthanda kuba nzinyana ke makunjalo angisakwazi. Ukhona othe this guy failed to help Ntate Solimoholo when he needed assistance with a brain surgery. Yo you guys ngeke angisakwazi. Angifuna ukukhuluma ke ngezindaba yazi uka Twitter ukuthi abantu bayakhuluma. Yo kune statement laphana it's a post though it's not a statement. I think this is the ANC Secretary General uFikile Mbalula The ANC is deeply saddened by the passing of the legendary gospel singer Solly Mogolo, a true icon in the South African music industry. His powerful voice, passion for spreading the word of God, and dedication to uplifting the spirits of many through his music will forever be remembered. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family, friends, and fans during this difficult time. May his soul rest in peace, and may his legacy live on in the music and joy he brought to the world. That is ubaba uFikile Mbalula. Yo guys, kuthiwa akaseke emhlabeni ubaba Solly Mogolo. Kube nzima kuyena yo guys njengoba ubelwa esesibhedlela, kusho ukuthi hayi cha kuye kwamkhulela ke ngempela. Kusho ukuthi ne-operation angabe sathi ngiyabuza ukuthi igcina itholakele yini imali. Iyona nto bengisalinde mina ukuthi ngiyizwe ngoba kwakuthiwe ke ucelekela ama-donations ukuthi kutholakala imali ke ngoba i-operation iyabiza, nokuthi elele mpedeni nje you guys i-bill iyanyuka njalo isishaya lapha nako 700k. So mina bengisalinde ukuthi sizoza ukuthi ngathi ngabe kuyahlangana yini bafethu, kodwa ke ayi sesizwa ke lokhu ukuthi akasekho. The passing of legendary gospel artist Solly Mogolo deeply saddens us. His music touched the hearts of many, and his powerful voice will forever resonate in our souls. Your voice may be silent, but your spirit will continue to inspire. This is SABC 2 what SABC 2 _ whatever. Yo akunzima bafethu akasekho kuba uSolly Mogolo, akunzima you guys. May his soul rest in peace. Ngathi umoya wakho ungaphumula. Okunye nokunye kulandela you guys, I'm going to update you again. Uyazi ukuthi ngizohlele ngiza nama update nginazisa ukuthi bathi kwenzeka njengoba ku statement beshilo ukuthi when it comes to memorial service ne funeral service bazo make sure ukuthi ba update ke umphakathi kwazi kwabuhlungu you guys. Ngathi ngalala ngoxolo. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Sizobe sihlangane kwenye landelayo. Bye.